Hey guys, my name is Orion with OG Enterprises. Today I'm here at Tucson Rescue Now. Tucson Rescue Now is the dog adoption specialist here in Tucson, Arizona that specializes in older or adult dogs. Tucson Rescue Now approached me with a problem and they asked me to come up with a solution. Their problem being that these kennels are actually falling apart and flapping in the wind. They weren't built this way, of course, but the problem was that these dogs are getting so excited to see us humans that they're kind of jumping up. And when they jump up, they're trying to find something to hang on to. And what's happening is that their paws are getting caught on this grating. So Tucson Rescue Now asked me to come in here, reinforce what exists, add some bars across the top here, not only reinforcing this kennel itself, but pulling the grating back and not allowing it to kind of flop around. I'll also be adding an additional piece of grating all the way to the top and then forming it, making it look real nice and preventing any fingers that might try to wander in there. So here at Tucson Rescue Now, their philosophy is that you shouldn't come in here and kind of poke them through the kennel. They want you to sit down and have some time with them on the couch, get to know your pup, take them for a walk around the mall, and then come back here, let them sit in your lap and get to know them. And it's a great thing. So this is what it's going to kind of look like in the end. We're going to have, I know it's real hard to see and I apologize, but we're going to have some grating here. This is what exists currently. I'll be adding an additional piece of grating and then putting a bar across here, tech screwing into the top, forming these little real sharp edges, and then making it look real nice. It'll be real sturdy when it's all said and done. Thanks for watching.